Making wood furniture from dimension plans offers numerous advantages that can significantly enhance the woodworking experience for both novice and seasoned artisans. Dimension plans provide a clear roadmap for the construction process, making it easier to create high-quality pieces with precision and confidence. This approach not only streamlines the woodworking process, but also fosters creativity, skill development, and a deeper understanding of the craft. One of the most significant advantages of using dimension plans is the time savings they provide. Having a detailed set of plans eliminates the need for extensive calculations and measurements during the construction process. This efficiency allows woodworkers to focus on the actual building of the furniture rather than spending hours determining dimensions and proportions. As a result, projects can be completed more quickly, leading to a greater sense of accomplishment and the ability to take on more work. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of 100 wood furniture plans with dimensions. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Dimension plans also enhance accuracy in measurements and cuts. The precision inherent in these plans ensures that all components fit together seamlessly, reducing the likelihood of errors that can occur when relying solely on rough sketches or memory. This level of accuracy is particularly beneficial for complex designs that involve multiple parts or intricate joinery. By following a well-defined set of dimensions, woodworkers can achieve a professional finish that enhances the overall quality of the furniture. For beginners, dimension plans serve as an invaluable learning tool. They provide a structured approach to woodworking, guiding newcomers through the various stages of construction. By following plans that include step-by-step instructions, beginners can gain confidence in their skills and develop a deeper understanding of woodworking techniques. This foundational knowledge can set the stage for future projects, empowering novices to tackle more complex designs as their skills improve. Using dimension plans can also foster creativity and innovation. While plans provide a framework for construction, they often leave room for personalization and customization. Woodworkers can adapt designs to suit their tastes or the specific needs of their clients. This flexibility encourages artisans to experiment with different materials, finishes, and modifications, leading to unique pieces that reflect their individual style. The ability to innovate while still relying on a solid foundation of dimensions allows for a harmonious balance between structure and creativity. Another advantage of working from dimension plans is the ability to plan and organize projects effectively. Having a clear outline of the materials needed, the sequence of construction, and the necessary tools can streamline the entire woodworking process. This organization reduces the likelihood of interruptions or setbacks caused by missing materials or tools, allowing for a more focused and efficient workflow. By planning ahead, woodworkers can also better manage their time, especially if they are balancing multiple projects or other commitments. Dimension plans can also facilitate collaboration and communication among woodworkers. When working with a team or sharing designs with clients, having a standardized set of plans ensures that everyone is on the same page. This clarity can prevent misunderstandings and miscommunications that may arise during the construction process. Additionally, sharing dimension plans with other artisans can lead to valuable feedback and suggestions, fostering a collaborative environment that enhances the overall quality of the work. The use of dimension plans can also enhance the resale value of furniture pieces. High-quality, well-constructed furniture that adheres to precise dimensions is often more desirable to potential buyers. When selling furniture made from dimension plans, artisans can confidently market their work as being crafted with precision and care. This attention to detail can set their products apart in a competitive market, attracting customers who value quality craftsmanship. Moreover, Dimension plans can help woodworkers develop a systematic approach to their craft. By following a structured process, artisans can cultivate good habits and refine their techniques over time. This systematic approach not only leads to improved craftsmanship, but also instills a sense of discipline and professionalism in the woodworking practice. As woodworkers become more adept at following plans, they can apply these skills to other projects, further enhancing their overall proficiency. Another important advantage of making furniture from dimension plans is the potential for reducing waste. With precise measurements and clearly defined cutting lists, woodworkers can optimize their material usage, minimizing leftover scraps. This efficiency not only contributes to cost savings, but also aligns with sustainable woodworking practices. By carefully planning cuts and utilizing materials effectively, artisans can reduce their environmental footprint while still producing high-quality furniture. Dimension plans can also provide a sense of reassurance and confidence to woodworkers. The clarity and structure of well-designed plans can alleviate the anxiety that often accompanies woodworking projects, particularly for those who may be unsure of their skills. Knowing that there is a proven roadmap to follow can empower artisans to take on new challenges and push their boundaries. This confidence can lead to greater experimentation and creativity in future projects. In addition to these benefits, dimension plans can also serve as a valuable resource for troubleshooting and problem-solving. When faced with challenges during the construction process, woodworkers can refer back to the plans to identify potential solutions. This resourcefulness fosters critical thinking and adaptability, skills that are essential for success in woodworking. By learning to navigate challenges effectively, artisans can develop resilience and confidence in their abilities. Using dimension plans can also enhance the overall enjoyment of woodworking. The satisfaction that comes from creating a piece of furniture that aligns with the original design can be incredibly rewarding. Following a well-structured plan allows artisans to focus on the joy of the craft, rather than becoming bogged down by uncertainty or confusion. This enjoyment can lead to a more fulfilling woodworking journey, encouraging artisans to continue honing their skills and exploring new designs. The accessibility of dimension plans is another advantage worth noting. With the proliferation of online resources and woodworking communities, finding high-quality plans has never been easier. Many websites and platforms offer free or low-cost plans for a wide variety of furniture styles and designs. This accessibility enables woodworkers of all backgrounds to explore new projects and expand their skills. By leveraging these resources, artisans can gain exposure to different techniques and styles, enriching their overall woodworking experience. Furthermore, dimension plans can serve as a valuable reference for future projects. Once a woodworker has successfully completed a project using a specific set of plans, they can revisit those plans for guidance in similar endeavors. This reference can streamline the learning process, allowing artisans to build on their previous successes. As they gain experience and confidence, woodworkers can adapt and modify existing plans, creating entirely new designs that reflect their evolving style and capabilities. Another significant advantage of using dimension plans is the potential for building a portfolio of work. By consistently creating pieces from plans, woodworkers can document their projects and showcase their skills. This portfolio can be invaluable for attracting clients, customers, or potential collaborators. A well-curated collection of completed projects can demonstrate an artisan's range and expertise, enhancing their credibility in the woodworking community. The connection between dimension plans and the woodworking community is also noteworthy. Many woodworkers share their plans and designs through online forums, blogs, and social media platforms. This collaborative spirit fosters a sense of camaraderie among artisans, encouraging the exchange of ideas and techniques. By engaging with the community, woodworkers can gain inspiration and support, helping them stay motivated and passionate about their craft. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked 100 wood furniture plans with dimensions. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.